Hello everyone. I hope you are all well and happy. Today, we will explore the concepts of either, or, and, neither, nor, examining their uses, importance, and illustrating them with various examples. Either, or and neither, nor are correlative conjunctions. They work in pairs to connect two grammatically equal parts of a sentence. Understanding their importance and rules is crucial for clear and effective communication. Importance 1. Presenting choices. Either, or, presents two alternatives, indicating that one of them can or should be chosen. It offers a positive choice between two options. For example, you can either have tea or coffee. 2. Expressing double negation. Neither, nor, negates both of the presented alternatives. It indicates that neither of the options is true or applicable. For example, neither John nor Mary attended the meeting. 3. Creating parallelism. Both constructions help create parallel structure in sentences, ensuring that the elements being connected have the same grammatical form. This makes sentences balanced and easier to understand. For example, you can either bring a gift or send a card, both verb phrases. 4. Adding emphasis. These conjunctions can add emphasis to the choices or negations being presented. They clearly highlight that there are specifically two options being considered. 5. Avoiding ambiguity. Using either, or, and, neither, nor, correctly helps avoid ambiguity in sentences where multiple options are involved. They clearly define the relationship between the alternatives. Rules. Here are the key rules for using either, or, and, neither, nor. 1. Parallel structure. The grammatical structure of the elements following either, and, or, neither, and, nor, must be the same. This means if you have a noun after either, you